Let's learn how to download iOS 18 beta version. Apple finally upload a new iOS system, that is iOS 18, but for now we only have beta version. You can see a new cool function which have iOS 18, so let's stay till the end to see how to get this cool operating system. First, let's open Settings app on your phone. Then scroll a little down until you see General option, and when you see open it. After that, go on Software Update option. That is the second option on this page. You can see I already have iOS 18 beta version, but maybe you will not have. So go to click on second option Beta Updates to see do you have iOS 18 Developer Beta. Now there is a list of iOS version you have. If you have iOS 18, just simple click on it and go to download it. But if you doesn't have, there is solution to get it. Go on your Safari web browser. You can also go on Chrome if you have downloaded. Then on search bar go to type iOS 18 beta and go on first link of Apple, which says Apple Beta. Now you are come on official website of Apple, and on this page go to scroll all the way down to see sign up button. You can also read more about this operative system, the go on sign up. Now connect to your Apple ID. I will do that with Face ID. This Apple Beta software program lets you try pre-release software and provide feedback to help Apple to make it even better. Just first, go to select for which device you want, iOS Beta. Is that iPhone, iPad, Mac, or TV? When you select, scroll a little down to find subtitle where is written, get started. Then under that subtitle on text you can see a blue link which says, enroll your iOS device. And you need to click on that link, which will send you on next menu, on which you need to scroll down to blue button, where is written open beta updates, and when you find that button, click on it. This little pop-up menu wants of you to open this option in Settings app and go to confirm if by tapping on open. Now iOS 18 beta software will shows you on this list, then select it and go to download it. But if you again don't have iOS 18 software, watch this last method which work 100%. Now go again on your Safari and on search bar. Go to type Apple Developer and search for it. Now Google shows you a list of your search and you need to go on this first website of Apple. Just keep in mind for all of this method only go on official sites on Apple because 100% safe, without viruses. With this method, we want of Apple to let us to join in Apple Developer Program to test Apple new updates of this software. And on this menu, go to click on 3 horizontal lines in top left corner of the screen. And that will shows you a list of couple options where you need to go on last option, which is Account. Now go again to sign into Apple Developer with your iCloud. I will again do this with my Face ID. And now you are finally on Apple Developer site, because I am already in Apple Developer Program. I have this page, but you will don't have page like this. When you want to join to Apple Developer Program, you will have page like this. And don't worry, you don't need to pay $99, you will just have a page on which you need to enter your name, your given name, your address and zip code, and click on blue button to join in Developer Program, and that will send you on Settings menu, and select iOS 18 then download it. And you are done. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.